Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today we know about Indian National Park and their basic knowledge. Let's begin. There are 106 existing national parks in India, covering an area of 45,402.95 square kilometer, which is 1.35% of the geographical area of the country. Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park, India's first national park, is a renowned wildlife sanctuary in the foothills of the Himalayas, within the Nainital district of Uttarakhand. Established in 1936 as Hailey National Park and later renamed in 1957 to honor the naturalist Jim Corbett, it's known for its diverse flora and fauna, particularly its high tiger density, making it a popular destination for wildlife enthusiasts. Kanha National Park. Kanha National was established in 1955. Kanha National Park, also known as Kanha Tiger Reserve, is a prominent national park and tiger reserve located in Madhya Pradesh, India. It's situated in the Maekal hills of the Satpura range, spanning across Mandala and Balawat districts. The park is renowned for its diverse wildlife, including the Royal Bengal tiger, Barsinga, swamp deer, and various other mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. Tadoba National Park. Tadoba National Park was established in 1955. Tadoba National Park, also known as Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, is a national park and wildlife sanctuary located in Chandrapur district, Maharashtra, India. It's one of the oldest and largest national parks in Maharashtra and is known for its rich biodiversity and tiger population. The park is a Project Tiger Reserve and is a popular destination for wildlife enthusiasts. Madhav National Park. Madhav National Park is situated in Shivpuri district of Gwalior division in northwest Madhya Pradesh, India. The park was first noticed in 1956 at 167 square kilometer as Shivpuri National Park. In 1958, it was renamed Madhav National Park after Madho Rao Scindia, the Maharaja of Gwalior of the Scindia dynasty, and was finalized the following year. Bandhavgarh National Park. Bandhavgarh National Park established in 1968. Bandhavgarh National Park is in the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. This biodiverse park is known for its large population of Royal Bengal tigers, especially in the central Thala zone. Other animals include white tigers, leopards, and deer. The mix of tropical forest, sal trees, and grassland is home to scores of bird species, including eagles. To the south are the remains of the ancient Bandhavgarh Fort. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park established in 1974. Kaziranga National Park is a protected area in the northeast Indian state of Assam. Spread across the floodplains of the Brahmaputra River, its forests, wetlands and grasslands are home to tigers, elephants and the world's largest population of Indian one-horned rhinoceroses. Ganges River dolphins swim in the park's waters. It's visited by many rare migratory birds and grey pelicans roost near Kaziranga village. Bandipur National Park. Bandipur National Park, an 874 square kilometer forested reserve in the southern Indian state of Karnataka, is known for its small population of tigers. Once the private hunting ground of the Maharajas of Mysore, the park also harbors Indian elephants, spotted deer, gars, bison, antelopes, and numerous other native species. The 14th century Himavad Gopalaswamy Temple offers views from the park's highest peak. Bannervata National Park. Bannervata National Park is a national park in India, located in Bengaluru and Ramangara district, Karnataka. It was founded in 1970 and declared as a national park in 1974. In 2002, a small portion of the park became a zoological garden, the Bannervata Biological Park. Gir National Park. Gir National Park established in 1975. Gir Forest National Park is a wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat, western India. It was established to protect Asiatic lions, who frequent the fenced-off Devalia Safari Park, along with leopards and antelopes. Gir Jungle Trail, outside the fenced area, traverses deciduous forest and is home to wildlife including vultures and pythons. The Kamleshwar Dam has marsh crocodiles and birds, such as Indian skimmers and pelicans. Gugamal National Park. Gugamal National Park is an Indian national park that is one of 7 protected areas in the Melghat Tiger Reserve. Founded on 22 February 1974, this park is located in the Chikladra and Durni Tahsils of Amravati, Maharashtra. Navegaon National Park. Navegaon National Park established in 1975. National Park is a national park located in the Arjuni Morgon subdivision of Gondia district in state of Maharashtra, India. The Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, Navegaon is home to almost 60% of the bird species found in entire Maharashtra. Every winter, flocks of migratory birds visit the lake. Pench National Park. Pench National Park is a national park in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. It is part of Pench Tiger Reserve and covers an area of 758 km². It was declared a sanctuary in 1965, raised to the status of a national park in 1975 and enlisted as a Tigers Reserve in 1992. Blackbuck National Park. Blackbuck National Park is a national park in India located at Velavdar in the Bhavnagar district of Gujarat state, India. Established in 1976 in the Bhal region of Saurashtra, the park is located around 42 km from the district headquarters city of Bhavnagar. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.